Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Google AdSense account on, of course, the PC. So first of all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So then after opening your browser, just go here to the URL section and type Google AdSense and hit the enter button. So then you would like first of all to avoid this ads or ad website, which is an advertisement. Then just go here and click scroll down a bit and click add the first link. So from here, let me just make it English. So as you can see, that will be actually your home or your main screen. And from here, you'd like to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't want to, if you don't have an account, you'd like to click at start to create your account. And you will create your account with the Google account. So you will not go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let me just go here for me and click as connection. It will connect me to my first account because I have two accounts here. So let me just switch to a viable account in this in Google. So that will actually be your home or your main screen again if you log in into your account. So of course, if you want to delete your account, you have one simple way. Simply just go here at the left options right here and click add account. Then scroll down a bit, then go here and click add settings. So as you can see from here, we have two options. Make sure to click on account informations, and we'll need to wait until this appears to us. Then scroll down and you'll have here an option called close account. So just go and click on that. And as you can see, they're actually telling you why you want like to close your account. So of course I accept. I won't be paid for the reminder for my earnings. If you want to select the reasons, and make sure to check this as well, which is I have read and understood, sorry, the AdSense terms and conditions. So of course if you want to select the reason, that's cool. If you don't want to, just click at others and click at close my account and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.